TC Weather Lab. Here's Dave's forecast.
6:53, 73 degrees here in Lafayette. Our dew point at 72 and that humidity 96%. Winds are currently out of the north-northeast at 3, but they're going to be shifting more to the west later today. That's going to keep things relatively dry. With more of a dry flow, you'll have less afternoon showers and thunderstorms, while at the same time there's dry air in the mid and upper levels and more of a ridge of high pressure aloft that's squeezing down on the lower levels of the atmosphere, which will prevent some of the afternoon lift. So with less lift and less moisture, less showers and thunderstorms, and that also means some hotter temperatures because you don't have the clouds to cool things off late in the day. Most of the thunderstorms will linger back here over parts of the Red River Valley back into the Texas Hill Country. We've also got showers and thunderstorms with more of a trough here along the east coast, and then that extends down into the eastern part of the Gulf of Mexico. Predictive radar showing virtually nothing out there through the midday time period, with temperatures pushing back to around 90 by lunchtime. We'll stay in the mid-90s most of the afternoon. Can't rule out maybe one or two isolated showers that may pop up, but the coverage won't be great, so most of you will stay dry today, and even into the early evening hours things will start to calm down. You lose the daytime heating, and the thunderstorms, anything that might have a chance for developing will eventually dissipate by later this evening. Your forecast high today up to 94 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. It stays rather hot and humid with that heat index topping out at around 103. Winds will be out of the west today at about 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, more of the same. Really pretty quiet here for the early part of the week. The ridge will break down a little bit into Thursday and Friday, and that will allow a few of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms to return. Not great coverage, though, only in the 30 to 40% range as we head into the early part of the weekend, and then roughly a 30% coverage, which is pretty typical for the summertime months as we get into the weekend. Temperatures there both days, Saturday and Sunday, will reach about 91 to 92 degrees, with nighttime temperatures dropping back into the 70s, and it looks like that ridge may hold on into next week with some dry conditions, at least for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Heat index values will probably be topping out right around 102 to 103. Right now, it is still 73 degrees, and your time right now is 6:55.